Meeting summary. Wealth Builders Collective Webinar, 6/14/2025. The meeting covered updates on market performance and upcoming economic events. Participants discussed major indices, key economic releases, and sector performance across various industries. Specific stock performances and trading opportunities were analyzed, including detailed reviews of technology companies, potential trades, and option strategies. The session concluded with discussions on trading platforms, retirement planning, and stock analysis. Attendees were encouraged to provide feedback for future session improvements. Next steps: track goals. Document and monitor members' trading and investing goals for accountability in future meetings. Platform training. Conduct a demonstration on setting stop losses and price notifications on the Fidelity platform. Sector research. Evaluate cybersecurity companies for potential investment opportunities. Account setup. Schedule a session to assist with notification setup on brokerage platforms. Trading opportunities. Review specific stock options and sector rotation trends, particularly in healthcare. Resource sharing. Share links to market research tools for group reference. Retirement education. Study strategies related to Roth IRAs and 401k plans. Feedback loop. Submit ideas for improving meeting structure via group chat. Knowledge sharing. Bring platform-specific questions to future meetings for collaborative learning. Weekly market and economic updates. The group reviewed market movements and economic calendar highlights for the upcoming week. Major indices were down due to a sharp pullback at the end of the week. Key economic events included the FOMC meeting and earnings reports from major companies. The group also discussed the spike in the VIX index and trends in gold. Suggestions were made to enhance future meeting structure. Sector performance and market trends. Participants examined performance across sectors, identifying strength in technology, financials, and consumer discretionary, while healthcare lagged. Other sectors reviewed included materials, communications, energy, industrials, and real estate. Emerging opportunities were noted in consumer staples and discretionary. The group also discussed the impact of geopolitical events and potential weakness in the tech sector due to resistance levels and macroeconomic conditions. Technology sector recovery and AI risks. Discussion focused on the strong recovery in tech stocks, with several reaching all-time highs. Concerns were raised about delayed AI initiatives and disruptions to search functionality. Specific stock charts were reviewed and additional analysis was recommended. Trading strategy discussion. Archer stock. The team analyzed a potential trading opportunity following a secondary stock offering. Concerns were raised about stock dilution and its impact on share price. A possible buy-in was considered near the 50-day moving average. Past trades and successful strategies were also briefly mentioned. Stock analysis and investment considerations. Stock fundamentals such as revenue and net income trends were reviewed. Discussions included emerging technologies, the use of cryptocurrency reserves, and identifying resilient stocks with strong balance sheets. The group evaluated potential plays in cybersecurity and robotics, emphasizing risk versus reward in speculative stocks. Additional stock and trading strategies. Further analysis focused on stocks like Kava, Tesla, and others, with attention to valuation metrics, volatility, and technical indicators. Participants debated timing, entry points, and whether to use option strategies or share ownership for specific trades. Options for income generation. The group explored income-producing option strategies, including covered calls and cash-secured puts. Key concepts such as time decay were explained using accessible analogies. Emphasis was placed on understanding the mechanics and risks before using these strategies in real accounts. Trading objectives and group learning. Participants were encouraged to define and track their individual goals. The importance of peer learning and collaborative growth was highlighted, with new traders advised to use group discussions to build confidence and ask questions. Retirement planning insights. The meeting included education on retirement accounts, focusing on Roth IRAs, 401ks, and tax implications. Participants were advised to prioritize debt reduction before retirement. A recommended resource was The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins, offering a clear roadmap for retirement planning. stock performance reviews and technical analysis. Several stock performances were reviewed, including names in retail, defense, and energy sectors. Technical indicators, trading ranges, and breakout setups were discussed. No immediate action items were defined, but members were encouraged to share ideas for improving future sessions. If you found this recap helpful, consider joining our Wealth Builders membership. Learn more at our website, mikepearmoney.com/wealthbuilders. Thank you.